Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight, let's take a look at the F4 key. You may notice I use it in a lot of my videos. It's incredibly helpful for locking cell references as well as for repeating prior actions. I'll demonstrate that in the examples here. So if we wanted to look at cell references, kind of a rule of thumb is if you hit F4 once, that'll lock all the cells. If you hit it twice, it'll lock just the rows. And if you hit it 3 times, it'll lock just the columns. Let me demonstrate quickly. So just to save time, we won't use a formula. We're just going to directly select the cell. Let's say we select the score 90 here. I'm going to hit F4 once, and you can see no matter what, it's going to always reflect 90. It'll always reflect that same cell. Let's delete that, and let's try it again. Let's say I want to pick this one, 82. I'm going to hit F4 twice. So now it'll lock the row, so the number will never change, but you'll see as we move over on the columns, it shifted over 1. And then the last option is if we lock the columns. So in this case, we're going to hit F4 3 times. And you'll see now the rows will go down, but the columns will stay the same. So every row here has gone down 1, and the columns have stayed the same. And this is really helpful if you're doing VLOOKUPs or index matches. It's just something that will really benefit you as a time save. The other thing I wanted to mention is when we do formatting, there are many different ways you can save time when you're formatting. Let's say we did a bunch of changes to a cell. I'm just making it up as I go. And I like this format, and now I want to copy it here. So I'm going to copy the format. Instead of having to do that every time, I can just select the cell and hit F4. And you can see it'll keep doing it. And over time, over plenty of cells, it's a huge time save and something worth considering. And that is the benefits of the F4 key. Thanks for listening.